Let's talk about XSS attack through filtered bypassed payloads. So steps is very simple. You have to find parameter, give any input there. If your input reflect back, inject any JavaScript code there. But the problem is you cannot execute, you cannot go on every page. Yes, it's impossible for a human being to go on every page and give input there and then inject some JavaScript code there. So in this case, you have to take help of Burpsuite. Let's example for this website test php.vulnweb.com. I want to find cross-site scripting on this website. So I'll first spider this. Why? A spider will crawl all the URLs. Okay. Second, I will filter URLs having parameter. Third, then I will check my input is reflecting or not. Fourth, I will try to inject any JavaScript code there. So this is just a fourth. So let's spider these websites. I'll just copy this. Let's open a Burpsuite. Okay. Open Burpsuite. Make intercept is on. Reload this page. I captured the request now. I will right click, send to spider. Make intercept is off now. Go to target, find a website there. Right click, spider this host. Now see, it scroll all the URLs on that websites. Now second is filter URLs having parameter. So see, these are the URLs having parameter. These are the URLs having parameter. So I will double click on params, double click on these params, 1, 1. See, now it's sorted. So you just have to test this much URL. You just have to test this much URL. Okay. Now, then I will check my input is reflecting or not. See, so I got there is a artist is a parameter. So I will right click, send this to repeater. I'll give an input there, hello. I will check hello is reflecting or not. So see, hello is not reflecting. That means this parameter is not vulnerable. I'll go back. So I don't have to test twice because I tested once. Pick any other parameter. So there are 3 artist parameters. So I'll only test one. Now I'll pick this post based, right click, send this to repeater. So there are 2 parameters. One is add cart and another one is price. So I'll give her hello 1 and I will give her hello 2. Let's click on go. So hello is not reflecting. That means these both parameters are secured. Now let's turn this AID equal to C. Send this to repeater. I'll give an input there hello. I'll check hello is reflecting or not. So hello is again not reflecting. There is no matches. That means this is also not vulnerable. Go back to target. Pick this, the post base again. Right click. Send this to repeater. There are how many parameters? 3 parameters. One is name. Second one is PHP action. Third one is submit. I'll give her hello 1. I'll give her hello 2 because I don't know which one is vulnerable. I'll give hello 3. Let's check which one is reflecting. So no one is reflecting. That means it's not vulnerable. Or let's follow the direction. Now check here. So see, it's not reflecting. That means this is not vulnerable. Now pick this one. Right click, send this to repeater. So this is PID equal to something. I will do hello 1. So it's not reflecting. When this is also secure. Now go to target. This is something new. I'll right click, send this to repeater. So don't skip any parameters, test all the parameters. So I'll give a hello 1, I'll give hello 2, click on go. Let's check which one is reflecting. So hello 1 is reflecting and other one is not reflecting. So hello 2 was not vulnerable, hello 2 is not vulnerable. That means submit parameter is not vulnerable, but name parameter is vulnerable. Now see, you can, now there is a two way to inject JavaScript code. One way is to build manually your payload. Like I already told you how to build manually payload. Or another way is to just use a XSS payloads file. Okay, so I will use XSS payload file now. So see, I think yes, I have to go to the yes. So see, these are the payloads. These are the very good payloads. I call it as a god.txt. This is very, it can find vulnerabilities in any websites. So now see, I have to try to inject one by one all the payloads, but it's not possible for a human being to try all the 100 plus 11109 payloads one by one on that reflected number. So I'll do one thing. See, it's not possible to try all the payloads one by one there hello 1, because hello 1 is only reflecting. So I will use intruder function now. So I will right click, send to intruder. I will go to intruder, positions. See, I don't have to attack on submit parameters because that's not vulnerable. I have to attack only on the name parameters. So I'll first clear this clear button. Okay, now select only those parameters which are vulnerable. So I'll select this hello 1, click on add, payloads, load, and load that file. Now start attack. Now see, now this is a very good way to do this. Now see, on zeroth number they tried no payloads, okay, and they got 4723 length size. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than the first one, 47. So you can try this, you can try this, you can try this. For better understanding, I will sort the length by descending order. So I will double click on length. See, it's sorted by descending order, and your zeroth number is this 4723. That means maybe this will work, maybe this will work, maybe this will work there. We don't know. So I will try right click, show response in browser. I'll copy this. So see, it's vulnerable. Likewise, if you find, then you just have to try top 10. Okay, the top 10 highest length payloads. Okay, that's it. Now, so likewise, you have to turn all the other, like let's try this pp equal to 12, because I haven't tried this. I'll right click, send this to repeater, go to repeater. I'll give her here hello. I will check hello is reflecting or not. See this, hello is reflecting. I will right click, send this to intruder. I'll go to intruder, positions. I'll first clear this, select only those who are attacking the parameter is vulnerable. Select those which are vulnerable parameter. Now click on add, payloads, load. Now start attack. They tried first, they got 576 lengths. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than this 576. So you just sort this. I will double click on length. See, it's sorted. I will type first one, right click, show response in browser, copy. Let's check response in browser. So it's not executed. no problem. You try top 5. Let's click show response in browser. Again it's not executed. Let's try this. Show response in browser. Copy this. Let's execute this now. Now it's executed. So if the user is not sanitizing properly, it may execute the payloads. Okay, you just have to try top 10 payloads, the top 10 highest length payload. Okay, so this way you have to try, and the task is you complete all other parameters. Okay, I just completed up to this. You complete all the other URLs having parameter. Okay, all the URLs up to this. So I hope it's clear to you. No, don't worry, this is just a lab. We'll have a live session also.